Not fried. What are we gonna do?
Air fry.
Yay! So to make Punjabi curry, you need is 2 cups of plain yogurt, which I made that at home. I have the video. If you like to watch it and you want to make that video at home, it's very easy. So I got 2 cups of plain yogurt and 1 cup of besan, chickpea flour. So I'm gonna add in here and mix it. Just like that. Mix it well. So there you go, and I add 2.5 cup hot water, cold water. Just mix it. That's it. That's done. Now I'm going to turn the stove on. I have this Kadhi, and I got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to pour that in here. Couple pinches of espachita. I'm going to put that in here. Couple pinches, not too much. So I got 4 red chilies. Add that in here. 1 cinnamon stick and 4 bay leaves, and I got 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds whole, also that goes in here, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and 1 teaspoon is clonji, that also goes in here. I'm gonna mix this. I'm going to turn the stove off. I got it burning. And I'm going to add another spice in here. So I got my spice right here. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon curry powder, turmeric powder, chili, about 1/4 teaspoon because it's very spicy, and salt to taste, and cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder. So I bring that on the stove, turn the stove back on. There you go, done. And I'm gonna add all the mix here. Move that over the way. And I'm gonna keep mixing till it comes to the boil. Another 3 cups of water because you add them as you need it. You don't want it too thick. So it's coming to boil. I'm gonna boil 1 boil and then put to simmer for half an hour. The longer you simmer, the tastier is this. Then I'm gonna go make pakoda. I won't deep fry them. I'm gonna air fry them because I add more water, so you need to add a little bit more salt for your taste. I'm going to add another 1/2 teaspoon. So there you go. So you add more water. So I'm going to put to simmer and cover it. I'm going to cover this, let it simmer for half an hour. 20 minutes to half an hour. And meanwhile, I'm going to be making pakoras. So to make a pakora, I have about 100 grams spinach chopped and 1 onion also chopped, sliced, and 1 potato also sliced, and 1 cup of besan, chili powder and the salt, about about half a teaspoon, and garam masala, all the spices mix, and the cumin seeds. Coriander seeds are in here also. So, and I have half teaspoon baking powder, and I'm gonna put like couple drops of water, couple spoons. See if I need more. I don't want to put too much water because I'm gonna be air fry them. I'm gonna be needing a little bit more besan, so I'm gonna add in here a little bit more. You can add as you need it. I put half a quarter cup. And add a little bit water more. I can add more if I need it. I need it anymore. So now like sticky, that will stick together. So you need a besan about 1¼ cup. There you go. So I'm gonna roll the pakoras like this. And I already have this tray. Already I brushed it with a little bit of oil. So I don't want the pakora to stick with the tray. So that's why. You just put it like this. So there you go. I made this pakoras with one onion, one potato, 100 grams spinach, about 1¼ cup of besan, which I mix it all together and add the spices, chilies, salt to taste, garam masala, jeera, cumin seeds, and yeah. So now I'm gonna put that in here. As you see, my pakoras are getting ready. You see they're getting darker, and the curry is also sizzling. Cooking on slow heat, and the more it cooks on slow heat, the tastier it gets. You see that? Look at this, simmering very nicely. So I'm gonna let it simmer another 15 minutes. Cover it. It's on very low heat. There you go. My non-fried pakoras are ready for the curry. So there you go. There you go. I add the pakoras in here. You see this? Now I'm gonna just let it sit. Done, all done. So we are ready to eat. When the girls come, they will eat, and they are there in the class now. All right, yummy. There you go, my curry, Punjabi style with the pakora is ready. Now the girls are gonna taste it. All right, you guys go taste it. Alright, taste it, curry, chawal. Serve it with the curry, chawal, roti. You can serve with anything. So you see the pakoras air fried; they're not fried, so it's very healthy. How's everything?
It's good.
Yeah, the salt, pepper, everything is right. Yeah. Okay. Please, if you like my video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. This girl's gonna eat it.